Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest board private. So first of all go for your Pinterest account and after that go for your profile. Now choose that board which you wanna make private. So click on this and after that click on this three dot option over here. Go for edit board and just scroll down a little bit and you can see here keep this board secret, so you have to just check it and go for done. So now your board successfully make private. So this is how you can make Pinterest board private. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.